If you are wondering if there is WhatsApp available on Redmi Watch 6, then the answer is unfortunately no. This watch does not have WhatsApp. So if we go to the apps list by pressing the crown, then over here we can see the full list of apps that we have available on our watch. And of course we have quite a bit of them. There is a couple of different apps that we can use, but unfortunately WhatsApp is not one of them. And unfortunately we cannot download new apps either. And we cannot do this on our watch, and we cannot do this with the help of the Mi Fitness app or Mi Fitness app. There is no way to actually install new apps. But one thing that you can do is you can receive notifications from WhatsApp. So if you have WhatsApp on your phone, and if you have notifications enabled and synchronized from between your phone and your watch, then you can still see WhatsApp notifications on your watch. So when you get a new message, you can see it with your watch. You can also read it quite easily, but unfortunately you cannot send a message with the watch. You cannot, for example, text back, or you cannot create a completely new message. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.